Welcome back to HKY. Today we are going to discuss about motion graphs, mainly physics class 8. Main points describing the motion with the graphs. Learning objectives. Plot and interpret a distance time graph and a speed time graph. Deduce the shape of distance time graph when a body is at rest, moving uniform speed, moving non-uniform speed. Deduce the shape of speed time graph of the body at rest, uniform speed, non-uniform acceleration, uniform acceleration. Calculate area under the graph. These are the four main learning objectives. First one, distance time graph. Distance time graph is a graph is drawn between distance on y-axis and time on x-axis. Which type of graph we are taking, will consider if that graph is related to time. Time always represent only in x-axis and what is remaining that on y-axis. So based on what is given in y-axis and x-axis, we are giving the graph. For example, distance time graph means distance on y-axis, time on x-axis. Another example, speed time graph. That means speed on y-axis, time on x-axis. Okay. Speed equal to distance by time. So speed meter per second, distance meter time second. Look at the picture. So distance 100 meter, time 10 seconds. So speed is 100 meter per second divided by 10 equal to 10 meter per second. Another example, a car is traveling at 40 meter per second for 2 minutes. How far it go? So distance is speed into time. 40 into 120, 4,800 meter. Next, acceleration. Acceleration is the rate of change of displacement. Very simple. It is the rate of change of velocity per second, or simply we can say rate of change of velocity. Acceleration is change in velocity. Acceleration, velocity in meter per second, time in second. So acceleration meter per second square. Acceleration change in velocity by time. Initial velocity minus final velocity by time. So A equal to V minus U by T. We can check one problem. A car was traveling at 20 meter per second behind a lorry. It pulled to overtake accelerate 4 meter per second square for 2 seconds. What was its new speed? Change in speed is acceleration in time, so equal to 8 meter per second. New speed equal to old speed plus change in speed, so total 28 per second. Now we are going to discuss about main topic, distance time graph. A car has traveled a past lamp post on the road, and the distance of the car from the lamp post is measured in every second. The distance and time are recorded in the table. Based on that, we are drawing the graph. You can see the graph, you can see the table also. So that car is initially at a rest. So 0 time, distance is 25 meter. Then time is increasing. 1 second, same thing. 2 seconds, same. 3 seconds, same. 4 seconds, same. 5 seconds, same. That means that object are in rest. So we have to draw a graph, time on x-axis, distance on y-axis. Then we can understand 1, 25, 2, 25, 3, 25, 4, 25, 5, 25, 6, 25. Like that is going. So we can understand car is parked 25 meter from the post. That means that object at rest. So graph shape is a steeper line or parallel to x-axis. I think all of you understood this graph. Now we are going to discuss car is moving with a uniform speed. Time is given 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Distance is given 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So we are drawing the graph 0, 0, 1, 10, 220, 330, 440, 550. So if you draw, mark the line, we will get a straight line. So here we can understand distance by time, 10 by 1, 20 by 2, 30 by 3, 40 by 4, 50 by 5. In each second, we are getting 10 meter. So that means car is moving with a uniform speed of 10 meter per second. Next, the car is moving with a non-uniform speed. Here, car is accelerating. Time is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Distance is 0, 10, 20, 45 and 100. So 0, 0, 1, 20, 2, 25, 3, 45, 4, 75, 25, 500. So we are checking the speed 10 by 1, 25 by 2, 45 by 3, 70 by 4, 100 by 5. That means speed is increases, so car is a longer distance as time increases. So we can say car is accelerating. Next, car is deaccelerating. Time is increasing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Distance 30, 55, 75, 90, 100. So we draw a graph 0, 0, 1, 20, 1, 30, 2, 55, 3, 75, 4, 10, 90, 500. So we get point like this. So we can say speed is decreases, so car is travel shorter distance, time increases. For example, 0, 0, 1 by 30 by 1. So first is speed is 30 meter per second. Second is 55 by 2. So it is coming 27.5. Then next to third 20, 75 by 3. It will come 25. 90 by 4. So it will come again 22.5 like that. Then 100 by 5, it will come 20. So that means every time distance is increasing, time also increasing, but speed is decreasing. So we can understood that here time is increasing, distance is increasing, but speed is decreasing. So we are saying car is deaccelerating or decelerating. Here distance time graph gives the speed of the moving object. We can say three terms. First one, distance time graph gives speed of the object. Another way, gradient of distance time graph gives speed of the object. Another way, slope of distance time graph will give speed of the object. I think all of you understood. Thank you for watching my all videos. All the best.